So we're in the market right here. They got fresh eggs for 200 and 100. 190, 95, 160, and 80. They got a bunch of stuff. All these fruits and vegetables. This is all fruits and vegetables. And I'm sure it's all fresh as well. Free mini tour. Well, let's take the mini tour, guys. Oh wow, look at this, the Mayan god. Hola. Wow, guys, this is really cool. Look at all the stuff they got here. These are all gifts that you could buy. They got the cigars. Chocolate cigars. Chocolate cigars. They got honey. That's real cool. I don't know what stuff this is right here. How are you?
Your first time here?
Yeah.
Where you coming from?
From Jordania.
Jordania. I don't know where you guys are.
Middle East, Arabic.
Arabic. Okay.
See.
We have this past hub when you can take out the trash from the yard.
Yeah.
Okay?
Chocolate cookies. Anytime you're in Nicaragua, make sure you come to Granada. They got the chocolate factory over here. They got dark chocolate, milk chocolate, marble chocolate. They got all the chocolate you could think of. Caramelized limani? So I think it's caramelized chocolate if I'm not mistaken, guys. Wow. You got this. Yeah. That's cool. That's really cool, guys. Yeah, this place is awesome. Oh wow, look at the kitchen. They got the stove with the chocolate, the cacao beans right there. They got the big pot with the cacao. Look at this. What the hell? Chocolate, guys. Look at what they're doing over here. Oh my god. Can I go around and just videotape it?
Just for you. Yeah.
Yeah. He's gonna let me take a little tour of what the back looks like. So this is cacao, right? So you got the cacao beans right over here. Guys, he doesn't let nobody do this, but if you come and let them know that I sent you, they will take care of you. Wow. And all of this chocolate. Nothing else.
It's like the guy on Instagram, you know, the guy who makes the big designs of chocolate.
Wow. Guys, this is a crazy place. Cocoa nibs, cocoa liquor. Hey, count me in. And what if you wanted to buy cacao in a big amount? Where would they buy cacao from?
We buy cacao from producers from the north part of the country.
Okay.
Yeah. 100 cacao pounds, it could cost $400.
Okay. 100 cacao pounds?
Pounds.
How much?
400.
$400 for 100 pounds.
Goes up because it's expensive.
Yeah.
It's expensive.
Yeah. Wow. That's crazy, guys. 100 pounds of cacao goes for $400. That's definitely not cheap. Look at this. Molding. So you make your own chocolate here. You come here, make your own chocolate bar. And what was your name again, brother? Jesus will help you guys out if you're ever in Granada. Come to the chocolate factory. Is there a specific location that this is?
Yeah, just here in Granada, just here.
This is the only one.
The only one here.
So this is the only one in Granada. Come here and ask for Jesus, and he will take care of you guys. Cacao powder. Wow, look at this. What is this guy? Is that?
It's a cacao bean.
No. I said, what is this? Look at his face.
It's like old Aztec.
Yeah. That's very interesting. You guys gotta come to this chocolate factory here in Granada. Very good customer service, and I mean, The guy was very nice, very knowledgeable. Because when you want to learn about cacao and learn about stuff like that, you want somebody with knowledge. If they don't have knowledge, it kind of ruins the whole thing. And he speaks great English. So if you don't speak the language, Jesus will help you guys. He speaks the language.